Yo, we're about 30 minutes in and haven't gotten an order yet. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but this wait has become abnormally long now. Got a feeling everybody's still asleep. That should be me. Okay, this isn't the best order ever, obviously, but we finally got something. This is a Starbucks, $10 going 9 miles. Thank you. See, this is how you know it took forever to get an order. It's not pitch black outside anymore. Oh, here we go. Next order up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one's $7 going 4 miles.
Got it. Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I wasn't going to mention it, but it did say, please do not knock or ring because the dogs will go crazy. Next order up, we've got a Carl's Jr. This one is $7 going 4 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got a Krispy Kreme. This one is $11 going about 8.5 miles.
Either way, I have half and half, or I have a little. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Next order up, we've got a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $8 going 2.5 miles. Hello. We got Shana? Yeah. How do you actually pronounce that name? S-H-A-N-A. Shana, isn't it? I feel like I've heard that before, but I'm not sure. Finally got the next order. This is Victorico's, $6 going 2 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I was looking at the menu there because I was trying to figure out what one of the items on this was. All it says is easy mushroom. Next order up, we've got an IHOP. This is $9 going just under 5 miles.
Just signed out for a minute on the line.
That was like a 15-minute wait. Maybe they should worry less about cameras and more about getting their food ready on time. Just a thought. Yes, I'm still salty about last time. Because she's the one that snitched. Whatever, let's get out of here. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is $7 and change, going 6.5 miles.
Thank you. Open. DoorDash for Patrick.
Yeah, thank you.
My pleasure. Have the same.
You as well. Got the next order right away. This is Taco Bell. $9 going 5.5 miles. Hello?
This is Jeremy, National Support, sir. How's your day going? Yeah, I see you accepted an order for Taco Bell. Is this correct, sir? Yes, sir. That's wrong card, sir. You sent this order. The customer did use a stolen credit card, so this order is being canceled, sir. I will help you cancel this order and pay you for the waste of your time, okay? I'm going to help you cancel that order, sir, and pay you for the waste of your time, okay? The Taco Bell order.
What was wrong with it?
The customer used a stolen credit card. I'm just giving 1 second just in case this call gets disconnected, sir. Can you verify your phone number for me one time? Check your text message, okay? Do not share this call with family members or friends, sir. Only DoorDash, okay? All right, give me 1 second. I'll go ahead and send you a confirmation email along with your pay, sir. Can you spell your email for me one time? Thank you for calling DoorDash. To continue in English, press 1.
So I received a call a few minutes ago saying stolen credit card was used to order this.
Go through with the order normally. Don't worry. Don't. If someone is calling you from DoorDash, did they ask you for any personal information?
They asked me for my phone number, and then they started asking other questions. So I ended the call and I contacted you guys.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, that's 100% a scam. Go through the order, normal business as usual. So, and please block that number. Yeah, please bear with me because sometimes it's actually like leaked information from the store. So give me a second because I need to leave a note about this. The order is canceled.
Is it?
JP, right? From Taco Bell. Yeah, it just got canceled.
I'm not sure. It's trying to give me another order at the same time, like an additional one, so I can't see at the moment. I'm not really sure.
It would be pointless to actually take this order. I would return the items back to the store. It might have been actually DoorDash that called you, but it could be the safety department. You could have actually used like a fake credit card, unless the scammer actually called the customer as well, which would be kind of insane. Don't worry about this. I'm actually going to handle it from my end. Okay? I mean, if the order is canceled, trust me, they've been caught already.
Well, that's a first. What the heck? Apparently that was a scam. I don't know. All I know is I got half pay and breakfast. They're not going to accept this if I try to return it, so it's one soft taco and some mild sauce. I'll take it. On my phone, it did show up coming from DoorDash. That's the only reason I answered it, because usually I never answer my phone, like ever, even to people I know. I got the next order. This is, what is this? Burgerville, $7 going 3 miles. I'm right next to the restaurant, so probably not ready. I'm just gonna eat my food and then I'll head over. Thank you.
There you go. Thank you. Oh, there you are. I was just opening the door to see if it was here.
There you are. Thank you. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. Actually, oh, I read the order wrong. I thought it was Subway, but apparently it is Safeway. Either way, this is $12 going 9 miles.
It's a smaller order than I thought, but yeah, it was split between 2 of them.
Okay, thank you. Well, this is the smallest grocery order I've ever had. Okay, I'm sick of waiting. Let's just go home. Oh yeah, we're definitely not doing that one. $2 going 7 miles. No thank you. Today was very interesting. Current time is 10:35. Total ended up being 86. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.